Hey, what's up guys? This is Kevin the Tech Ninja, and today we're going to talk about my Android setup, what's on my Android device, and specifically the Pixel XL, what cases am I rocking, what skins am I rocking, and all that good stuff. Now, I'm still working on my setup down here. You can see it's sort of getting bigger and I'm adding more things to it, so bear with me on that. Anyways, without further ado, this is what's on my Android. First, let's start off with the physical. Normally I rock a Spigen case, but right now I'm actually using a case that came highly recommended to me, and this is the Bare Motion Ultra Slim Sandy Black case. It takes me back to the days of the OnePlus One with that stone texture on the back. It's just a nice case. It is so smooth, it's slim, and it just feels great. But when I'm at home, I take my case off. And under the case, I have a D brand skin for added protection and also add some grip because I don't like really using cases. The Pixel XL is prone to break if you drop it because of its glass back. And it marks so easily too, so protection is definitely the key. My wife dropped mine on my honeymoon and we almost didn't make it. The skin is just for added grip, and I'm all about customization of my device. Putting the black skin on the blue with the black case. It's kind of a nice black and blue style, I guess. Hit the links down below to debrand your device to customize it and also add a little protection. And this leads us to what's actually on my device. I'm using the Nova launcher. Now, you do lose the ability to swipe left for Google Now, but being able to say, "Okay, Google," is good enough. You can install different icon packs and other customization things, which is pretty dope. For me, my favorite icon pack is anything by Psychbo, or is it Seekbo? If I pronounced your name wrong, my bad. But he makes amazing icon packs, and I bought like 3 or 4 of them. So hit the link down below. You can see their icon packs, and it's just amazing, and they're a lot of fun, colorful, and just adds a new dimension to your device. The wallpaper I change often, but I always get mine from Backdrops. Backdrops has a fresh wallpaper daily, so you can always have a really nice wallpaper pretty much every couple days. I swap mine out. So right now this is this, but tomorrow it'll definitely probably be something different. Also use Zooper widgets for my widget pack, and this one right here is from the Minimal UI pack. I'll leave a link down below on how to use Zooper because it's not really self-explanatory. My essential apps has not changed too much, so I'll gloss over them quickly as I've talked about them before. I still use T9 App Dialer. It's not for everyone, but it helps me get to my apps quickly without thumbing through app drawers. I'm on Phoenix for Twitter, and it's pretty expensive. I think it's about $5 right now, but it's just my main Twitter app, and I love how it works. It's pretty, it's consistent, and I'm cool with it. My keyboard, I'm rocking Google's keyboard after leaving SwiftKey after so many years. Why? Because GIFs. Stupid, I know, but being able to send out a GIF super quick is important to me. But the keyboard is actually nice, and it does even have skin support, which is un-Google-like, so that's pretty dope. I also use Plex. Now, Plex gives me the ability to catch up on TV shows or anything I have on my computer when I'm on the go or if I'm actually at home. So it uses your main computer, or you can connect like a media server to it, and that houses your media, and then you can connect to it directly using the Plex app. You can watch TV shows, movies, pictures, all that stuff. And I like to use it because I travel a lot and I have all my TV shows on there. So I like to go out and watch my TV shows from my media server on Plex. It's actually pretty dope with the premium pass, which you can actually do with it. You can download your shows directly to your device. So even if you're on the plane, you can still watch your shows, your movies, and all that stuff. So Plex is really nice. I've been using Plex for about 3 years now. So I am giving away a premium account too if you want to check that out. So if you hit the link down below, you can actually enter the contest to win a premium account. Now, I did switch from Reddit Sync to the official Reddit app for my Redditing needs. And for me, when I Reddit, I just stick to the main post and kind of see what's happening. I don't dig into the subreddits too much, but just the main Reddit app is pretty good for me. You may have different needs, but for me, it works just great. For productivity applications, I have a ton of them as I mostly use my phone for work and I don't really use it for play too much. So for email, I use Newton Mail. I like to separate my personal email from my work email, and I like to actually have separate apps too. Now, Newton has a lot of cool features I like. I can snooze until I get to a computer. It has templates, read notifications, and also it has standalone applications for Android, iOS, macOS, and Windows. Also, a lot of other nifty features that I like to use too. So I like it the most for the read receipts. When I send emails out to companies to try to get products for review, I like to know when they read the email, and also it reminds me of emails that haven't gotten responded to but has been read. So I like to use that as kind of a trick of the trade to get companies to work with me. Now, home automation is going to be really big on my channel really soon. And for home automation, I like to use YouKnowMe. It's a robust application that takes your smartphone stuff and puts it in one big application. It's best to use with routine. So for example, I have one when it sunsets, it turns on my outside lights. And I have another one when I'm at home and it sunsets, it turns on my accent lights around the house and also my outside lights. And then in the morning when I leave for work, it turns off my lights, and it does that based off my location, or I can use Alexa or push a button. Don't start talking. Don't start talking. Also use screenshot, crop, and share, and it does exactly that. It takes screenshots and lets you crop it and share them to others. It just makes it so much easier than using the stock version of Android. Now, if you have Samsung, you can basically do all this stuff built into your phone, whoop-de-doo. But for people who don't have a Samsung device or have stock Android, then you need something else to help you with that. The Premium Unlock gives you more features like blurring things out and all that stuff. So I've been using it, and I actually just upgraded mine like 3 days ago just to be able to blur things out. So when I share screenshots, I can crop, I can blur, and all that fun stuff makes it really easy to use. And that's it, guys. That's what I'm rocking on my Android, or specifically my Pixel XL. I'm Kevin the Tech Ninja. Have a great day, and make sure you tap on that subscribe button. I'll holler at you guys later.
KTTN, say it again. Tell a friend that it's him again. Yo, real talk, opinions gonna be sharper than 4K. Scope Squad, eat it up, simmer it, saute. Ninja got reviews and rants galore. You ain't never seen a channel like this before. No hashtag.